The dawn of foldable tablets represents a groundbreaking shift in personal computing, introducing devices that feature flexible displays capable of folding without breaking, essentially combining the portability of a smartphone with the expanded screen real estate of a traditional tablet. These revolutionary devices utilize advanced flexible OLED technology and specialized hinge mechanisms to create seamless transitions between compact and expanded form factors, fundamentally changing how we interact with portable technology. This technological breakthrough holds immense significance as it addresses one of the most persistent challenges in mobile computing: the trade-off between screen size and portability. Foldable tablets promise to eliminate this compromise by offering users the convenience of a pocket-sized device that can unfold into a full-scale computing platform, potentially replacing multiple devices and reshaping our expectations of what portable technology can achieve. Real-world applications are already emerging through pioneering devices like Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold series, which transforms from a standard smartphone into a tablet-sized device perfect for multitasking, content creation, and immersive media consumption. Microsoft's Surface Duo represents another approach, featuring dual screens connected by a sophisticated hinge system that enables unique productivity workflows like dragging content between screens or using one display as a virtual keyboard, while the other serves as the primary workspace. Industry experts praise foldable tablets as the natural evolution of mobile computing, with technology analysts arguing that these devices will become the dominant form factor within the next decade. Major manufacturers like Apple, Google, and Lenovo have invested billions in flexible display research, signaling widespread industry confidence in this technology's potential. However, significant challenges persist, including concerns about durability, with early models experiencing screen creasing and hinge failures after extended use. The premium pricing of current foldable devices, often exceeding $2,000, raises questions about mass market adoption. Critics also point to software optimization issues, arguing that most applications haven't been redesigned to fully utilize flexible displays, limiting their practical advantages. These developments are intrinsically connected to broader trends in portable technology, including the push toward device consolidation, the evolution of mobile productivity software, and changing consumer expectations for seamless cross-platform experiences. As foldable tablets mature, they're likely to influence everything from app development paradigms to workplace mobility strategies, potentially establishing entirely new categories of portable computing devices that blur traditional boundaries between phones, tablets, and laptops. I'd be happy to help you create a detailed explanation for your outline on foldable tablets, but I noticed that you mentioned the following heading without actually including the specific heading you'd like me to address. Could you please provide the particular heading from your outline that you'd like me to elaborate on? Once you share that specific heading, I'll be able to give you a comprehensive 350 to 400 word explanation that covers all the elements you've requested. The definition, significance, examples, expert opinions, potential challenges, and connections to the broader topic of foldable tablets as the future of portable technology. This will ensure I'm providing exactly the content you need for your script, while focusing on the right aspect of foldable tablet technology. The evolution from concept to consumer reality represents the remarkable transformation of foldable technology, from science fiction fantasy to tangible products sitting on store shelves today. This journey spans over a decade of intensive research, engineering breakthroughs, and manufacturing innovations that have finally made flexible displays practical for everyday use. The concept initially emerged from the desire to maximize screen real estate while maintaining portability, essentially solving the fundamental tension between wanting larger displays and needing compact devices. This evolution is critically significant because it demonstrates how emerging technologies mature from experimental prototypes to mass-market products. Foldable tablets represent a convergence point where materials science, display technology, and consumer electronics manufacturing have reached sufficient sophistication to deliver reliable, affordable products that genuinely enhance user experience rather than serving as mere novelties. Samsung's Galaxy Tab Fold series exemplifies this journey perfectly. evolving from the problematic Galaxy Fold with its screen durability issues to today's robust tablets that withstand thousands of fold cycles. Similarly, Microsoft's Surface Duo transformed from concept sketches showcasing dual-screen productivity to actual devices enabling seamless multitasking across folded displays. These examples illustrate how initial consumer feedback and technological refinements drove iterative improvements. Industry experts consistently praise this technological maturation, with analysts noting that foldable displays have achieved the durability and affordability thresholds necessary for mainstream adoption. Manufacturing partnerships between display makers like Samsung Display and device manufacturers have accelerated this transition significantly. However, challenges persist around this evolution. Critics argue that current foldable tablets remain expensive luxury items rather than truly accessible consumer technology. Durability concerns linger despite improvements, and some question whether folding mechanisms add meaningful value or simply introduce failure points. Alternative viewpoints suggest that modular designs or rollable displays might prove more practical than folding screens. This evolutionary journey directly influences every other aspect of foldable tablet adoption. The progression from concept to reality has established manufacturing supply chains, created consumer awareness, and validated market demand. It has also driven complementary innovations in software optimization, protective accessories, and user interface design. Most importantly, this evolution has proven that revolutionary form factors can successfully transition from laboratory curiosities to everyday tools, paving the way for even more ambitious portable technology concepts. The journey itself has become a blueprint for how emerging technologies can navigate the complex path from innovation to implementation. I noticed that you've provided the main topic, foldable tablets are finally here, the future of portable tech, but haven't specified which particular heading from the outline you'd like me to elaborate on. To provide you with the detailed 350 to 400 word explanation you're looking for, I'll need you to share the specific heading you want me to focus on. For example, are you looking for an explanation of a heading like revolutionary display technology behind foldable screens, current market, leaders and their flagship devices, user experience, how foldable tablets change daily computing, durability concerns and manufacturing challenges, price points and market adoption, or perhaps another specific aspect of foldable tablets? Once you provide the specific heading from your outline, I'll be happy to deliver a comprehensive explanation that includes all the elements you've requested: definition, significance, real-world examples, supporting opinions, potential challenges, and connections to the broader topic of foldable tablets and portable technology's future.